Today I'm unboxing the Joyride Wheel of Doom mystery box.
Ooh.
If you watched me visit 50 states in 50 days, you know I carried the Wheel of Doom with me the entire time. So what's inside the Wheel of Doom mystery box? Okay, so first of all, you get a bag of Joyride sour strips. You could get one of 4 flavors. I got the sour fun drink strips, my favorite. Goated flavor. Next, you get a Wheel of Doom spinner. Cool. And finally, what is this? This is a limited edition collectible Joyride trading card. There are 5 different cards that you could potentially find, all with different levels of rarity. The most rare one by far is the Wheel of Doom card, which is only in 2% of boxes. My card is Fuck on a Farm! Oh my gosh. You can only get the Joyride Wheel of Doom box during Black Friday at Target. So don't miss out and go to Target so you can say Wheel of Doom!